Reduce sunburn on your skin by just applying onions. Treat uneven skin tone on your skin or face by just applying raw onions on your face. Are you on a budget? Do you want to look younger and have very even clear skin? Do you want to have a baby skin? We are only going to use onions found from your kitchen cabinet just to clear your skin and boost your skin complexion, give you even skin tone, provide your skin with a lot of retinol, a lot of vitamin C, and a lot of vitamin E. Retinol you find from onions. This is retinol is from vitamin A. Retinol is anti-aging. It fights acne and will help to slough off dead skin on your skin. The next one is vitamin C. You find vitamin C in onions as well. Vitamin C will glow your skin and remove wrinkles. Also, before moving on, I like to tell you that there are so many kinds of onions in the store. There is white onions, there is red onions. This is considered red or purple onions. There is yellow onions, but I love to use these onions because it's much stronger. Onions here contains more sulfur than the other kinds of onions. You also will find vitamin E, which is responsible for collagen production and will also help to regenerate young cell on your skin. Now, let me teach you and show you how you can use onions on your skin to give you brighter skin. Two ways that you can use onions on your skin. So the first way is you just cut up onions. You can juice your onions if you want, but before you can get lots of juice from the onions, you need to at least juice 2 or 3 medium size of onions, and this is why I just want to cut it like this instead of juicing the onions. So all you do is cut your onions like that. Just cut your onions and rub the onion on your face. Make sure your onions is in the fridge. If you put the onions in the fridge before you cut it, it decreases the amount of, it stains, it gets into your eyes. So if you want to cry less, if you really want to cry less, onions is the only thing that makes you cry naturally. So if you want to cry less, put this in the fridge before you cut it so that you don't cry more. You're gonna cry less if you put this in the fridge. So apply this where you have uneven skin tone. Apply this where you have acne. Apply this where you have sunburn on your skin, on your face, on your arm, anywhere. After applying this, you're gonna wait for about 10 minutes for this to infuse into your skin, and then you're gonna wash it off with lukewarm water. The next option is, if you don't mind, you juice this and then you're gonna use a cotton ball and wipe your face as a toner. Just wipe your face before you apply your moisturizer. The next option is going to do this with lactic acid, just to give you extra vitamin A boost, extra vitamin C boost, extra vitamin E boost. So you will get it from onion and you will also get it from lactic acid, which you can get from milk or from yogurt. Just put a scoop on the onions. You're gonna put 1 scoop of lactic acid, which is yogurt, and apply this on your skin. After applying this, you also want to leave this for 10 minutes to get all the absorption you want to absorb into your skin, and you're gonna wash it off after 10 minutes and apply your regular moisturizer. So guys, this is very cost ineffective, very cheap. You can do this 2-3 times a week, depends on the severity of your acne, your pimple, your melasma, your sunburn. It's very easy. It's right from your kitchen cabinet. So after 10 minutes, you're gonna wash this all off your face, or you can take a shower and apply your best moisturizer. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to share the video and subscribe. And if you're not following me on Instagram, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thank you for your time. Now your skin is ready for summer to glow. Take off all impurities and balance your skin complexion. Bye.